My name is Mike Weiss. We're at Weiss Tech Engineering. Behind me, we have a 1996 C36 AMG. This was the first car that AMG and Mercedes built in the factory together, so it's a really special car, and our pedigree with working on AMG, this was kind of the start of all that. The history on this car is that a lady drove this from Newport Beach to Santa Barbara every day and commuted in it, and it's almost had 500,000 miles. The end goal is that it's got to go to Willow Springs, and Tanner Faust has got to put a hot lap down and see what it can do in current form. Pump gas, stock suspension, and see what it can do on the track. The long-term goal, it's just under 500,000 miles right now, and there's only a couple months left before SEMA, so we really want to hit that 500,000 mile mark and bring it to SEMA with 500,000 miles on the odometer. We ran the car on the dyno in 4-wheel drive mode. A little bit more driveline loss than normal, but if we figure 20% driveline loss, that's 260 horsepower at the flywheel. Brand new, the car ranged between 267 to 280 horsepower stock, so that's pretty good. It just goes to show you, with good maintenance, when you take care of something, it'll last a lifetime.
We're gonna make a record for the fastest car at Willow Springs Raceway with over 400,000 miles. So the target is set for the rest of you.
Bounce off the rev limiter?
No.
Okay.
No,
good.
No. It was like being in a hurry to get groceries.
Okay.
Like if you're really hungry. That's what it felt like. One of the great things about a partner like Optima Batteries is that they go into absolutely everything. There's supercars, Lamborghinis, there's super fast trucks, and then there's 479,000 mile old AMG Mercedes. And Optima, appeals to owners of all of those things. When they said they wanted to set the track record for the fastest car over 400,000 miles, even though it's not a Volkswagen, which I'm a Volkswagen guy, I was all about it. So it's absolutely my pleasure to throw a new Optima battery, some new Yokohama tires, some Weiss Tech Engineering tuning, and come out here and set a track record out at such an iconic place like Willow Springs.